Well, if you follow my Twitter, you know how much I love this movie. I happened to see this movie at Mystery Movie Monday at Regal this past Monday. Phenomenal movie. I talked all about it on my Twitter. A lot of action, a lot of car racing, perfect for 4DX for sure. And then I get news today that, well, the movie is being delayed until the end of the month. You can see when, and I'm very pissed. However, there is some good news. The bad news, of course, is what you see on screen over here. The movie's being delayed because of the SAG-AFTRA strikes, that kind of thing there. And the world's going to see it at the end of the month. It's going to run into Equalizer and a bunch of other horror movies. It's going to slow down the money-making potential of the movie. I believe it was going to come out after Meg 2. Meg 2 is fine, but Gran Turismo is not. So that's the bad news. It's coming out. It's going to come out at the worst time. The good news is the early access and investor connects are still in play. So if you go to like AMC or whatever, and you go to I think it's the 8th or something like that. There we go. Early access showings over here. So if you go to that one's still in play. Early access. I think I will try to see that one again in IMAX because it's going to be so long until I see it again. Yeah, it's going to be ridiculous, bro. Maybe there's going to be like some cool things to give away here, but it's not going to be in IMAX. So how many times am I going to see this fucking movie until I see the actual shit in 40X? It's weird, man. Because I was going to wait until the 9th or 10th or whatever, the 8th, 9th, 10th, something like that, to see the movie in IMAX, to see it in 40X, because the movie's made for 40X, bro. More than IMAX. It's gonna, like, you're probably gonna hear the movie clear in IMAX, but, like, it's dangerous, man. You kind of never know, man. It could get worse. But, like I said, if you want to see the movie early, you gotta see it in your Connect screenings, bro. Or Connect screener, or which you don't really need to prove that you're AMC Connect, or early access. So you better see it now before it fills up, because once everybody knows about the shit, it's gonna be pretty hard. That's it for now. Clack off.